Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching the latest financial calendar from InstaForexs. The latter part of the week is marked by the series of the following macroeconomic events. To start with, New Zealand is about to release its trade balance report for March. Financial analysts forecast a trade deficit to come in at 472 million New Zealand dollars. In February, New Zealand recorded a trade surplus of $414 million, although in the previous month there was a deficit of $287 million. Experts anticipated the trade surplus of 2 million New Zealand dollars in February. The sharp rise in exports is said to be the reason for the positive data. Thus, exports rose by 16.7% to 3.91 billion New Zealand dollars, while imports dropped by 3.9% to 3.49 billion dollars. Exporting sector of New Zealand is a major driving force of the country's economy. However, the government is concerned with the high exchange rate of the New Zealand dollar and the drought that currently affects the agricultural sector. Meanwhile, Japan is to unveil its National Consumer Price Index data for March. According to analysts, prices fell by 0.8% on a yearly basis. Last month, Japanese CPI fell by 0.7% year-over-year after posting a 0.3% decline in January. The actual data was in line with economists' forecasts. As expected, core consumer price, excluding food and energy prices, dropped by 0.9% in February on year after a 0.7% fall in the previous month. In addition, the U.S. Department of Commerce is to release its advanced gross domestic product report for the first quarter of 2013. Experts say it has increased by 3%. In the fourth quarter of 2012, according to the final estimate of the department, American economy expanded by 0.1% compared to the same period of 2011. Analysts expected the U.S. GDP to grow by 0.5%. According to the first estimate, the country's economy contracted by 0.1% year-on-year in the fourth quarter of 2012. On a quarterly basis, the U.S. economy increased by 0.4% in the last quarter of the previous year. And this was the calendar of the latest financial events prepared for you by our InstaForexs team. Thank you and see you next week. Bye.